The First World War, also known as World War I, began on July 28, 1914, and lasted until November 11, 1918. The war was primarily fought in Europe, but also spread to other parts of the world. It began as a local conflict between Austria-Hungary and Serbia, but quickly escalated into a global war involving many of the world's major powers. The main causes of the war were imperialism, nationalism, and alliances between countries. The assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand of Austria-Hungary by a Serbian nationalist was the spark that ignited the war. The war was fought between the Allied powers, which included the United Kingdom, France and Russia, and the Central Powers, which included Germany, Austria-Hungary, and the Ottoman Empire. The United States entered the war on the side of the Allies in 1917. The war was characterized by trench warfare, with both sides digging long, deep trenches to protect themselves from enemy fire. This led to a stalemate and a high number of casualties. New technologies such as tanks and chemical weapons were also used during the war. The war ended on November 11, 1918, with the signing of the Armistice of Compiègne. The Treaty of Versailles was signed in 1919, officially ending the war and imposing severe penalties on Germany. The war resulted in the deaths of approximately 17 million soldiers and civilians, and 21 million wounded. It also had a profound effect on the political and economic landscape of the world, leading to the collapse of the Austro-Hungarian and Russian empires, and the rise of communism in Russia. The war also set the stage for World War II, which began just over 2 decades later.